Hey, what's going on everybody? Lifu from Work School here, and I want to wish everybody watching a happy holidays from me and our entire team at Work School. Today's video, I want to talk about top 5 courses that you can take this holiday season. Let's get into it. The holiday season is a great time to celebrate and enjoy life, but it's also a great time to level up. The courses mentioned in today's video will all be linked down below, and since it is the holidays, some of the courses are on holiday sale, so you might be able to get a discount on some of them. But let's get started with today's video. The first course up is Plan the Holidays with Trello and enjoy a stress-free holiday season. Planning the holidays can be stressful. Why not use a great tool like Trello to plan your holidays and make the most of your celebrations? The next course is a fun course, and it's how to paint snow. Painting is definitely a fun time. At the end of it, you have a nice piece of art that you can display in your home. The next course up is Building Great Web Backends with Django and Python. This course is for the developers watching. A great front end definitely needs a great back end to go with it. Definitely go check that out. The next course is Handdrawn Letters on Colored Paper. Create a holiday sign. A hand-drawn card is personal. It's a different feeling and feels special. Now you can learn to do it by hand and make something that looks amazing. The next course up is Big Data for Reliability and Security. You hear about big data all the time. Businesses collect data from their customers to analyze and create the best experiences for their customers. It sounds simple, but definitely complex once you get into it. In this course, you'll learn about how big data can improve the reliability and security of computing systems. Well, that's 5 courses for this holiday season. Remember, all of these will be linked down below in the description box. Some of these courses are on sale, so definitely don't miss out. That's it for today's video. Make sure to leave a like on today's video and visit workschool.co to start taking online courses today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we also have an Instagram where we post tech, career, education, and more. Also at workschool.co, so do check that out. If you enjoyed today's video, leave a comment down below why you enjoyed today's video, as that helps us improve the videos from week to week. As always, I'm Lifu from Work School, and I'm out. Peace.